Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to Trends for Her. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cascade. First, let me check my brush. I select the pen I want. I change the color to black. Now I can draw. I'm going to show you two ways you can draw your cascade. You can use the freehand. You start big. As you go down, it becomes what smaller. I don't like this. I undo. Let me draw it again. Okay, then the next thing I do, I go to my pair of divider and ruler. I click on draw styles. I maintain the line. Watch what I am doing. Remember, do not allow any room for any space. No, that shape is not it. It goes like this. There is a space. It goes like this. It goes like this and like this. Okay, so now I'm going to clean off the excesses by putting my eraser and zoom. I have to exit this draw style region. I zoom and I clean. You can actually increase your eraser when you are dealing with a larger surface, and be careful so that when you are cleaning you don't create any space, because by the time we fill, now we don't have a splash. You can see while I walk, I zoom in and out, I rotate. It's fine to do that as long as you are getting what you want. You understand? So sorry, just picked. Sorry, undo. I think I mistakenly changed my pen. I need the eraser. So you zoom. When you zoom and clean, it's even easier for you so that you don't create any space. I think there's going to be a space here, so I have to be careful. Okay, to do this easily, I would advise that we all get our stylus pen. Universal stylus pen works for any phone. Oops, that's careful. To be careful. Okay, I have to be careful. So now we have drawn a cascade with our free hand. Let me now teach you. There's another way you can do it. You go to your pair of divider and ruler, you click on your predictive stroke. Watch what's going to happen. We draw. Oh, I need to change my brush to my pen. So you draw the shape. As I dropped, you notice that it gave me something like a perfect shape. That's for the predictive stroke. You can either use your freehand or use the predictive stroke. Then you close. Now let us fill this with color. Now I'll go to my pair of divider and ruler. I'll click on fill. I select the color I want. then I fill. You can see it makes sense. I can decide, okay, I want to use like 2 different shades of colors, or yes, 2 different shades of what colors. What I would do is, let me undo. You can use a lighter brown for the first shade. Okay, I use my lighter brown. No, I don't want it there. I want to use my lighter brown for this outer parts. Then I can use a darker shade of brown for this inner part. You can see how it came out. So this is basically, okay, I was supposed to have a stroke down here too. This is basically how to draw your cascade. Oh, let me change my color to black. Let me undo. This is basically how to, there's a space, so if I fill here now, I'll have a splash. So what you can do, you can zoom further, so that zoom in so that you can see what you're doing. So now I can close, go back to my fill. Let me look at it. So now I need to put the darker shade of what, my brown, sorry, fill. Choose the darker shade. I pray I get it this time. Okay, you can notice something now. I didn't get the exact shade of brown I want here, so let me undo and teach you something. For example, now this happened and you are finding it difficult to get the exact shade. All you need to do is you click on this middle button here, you click this, all these icons you see down, you click the middle one. It's called the color picker. You take it. Now, which of the colors do we need? We need the darker shade. You roll it to, if it's the lighter shade, you use it there, you leave. That's, you take it to the point where you have the color, then you drop. It has picked, see your pen now, it has picked that lighter shade, but we don't need the light shade. What we need is the dark shade. So we'll press it again, the color picker, we take it to the dark shade. Once it gets there, we leave it. It has picked what, the dark shade. Now our fill button is still on. You can see the bucket up there, so we'll now drop. So this is your what, cascade. All right, thank you very much. The next class we'll talk about how to draw a skirt and what, a peplon.